Hello again from Notholmarna in Värmdö. I am now on the second island here at Notholmarna, that's closer to the open sea, as I have previously swam to the island, but then I realized that I can walk on the water because it was until this depth with my backpack and shoes. And I survive without getting wet, but I was walking in my speedos actually. And to be fair, this is actually, I can consider it clothing optional beach spot, as there is nobody here at all, not just on this island but also on the other island that I have visited before. So to the first island you can walk along the mud, and then to the next one you need to walk with swimming suit, and because I need to be a bit taller also because otherwise it will be deep for you. And this second island that is out on the Baltic Sea, it has a very big coast here of rocks, and I have been exploring a bit in that direction, but this spot over here is the best as it is the most flat of them all. And I'm out exploring, and I really wanted to be chilling on this island in itself, as I have seen it on Google Maps, the Earth view, that there is some kind of beautiful rocky beach, and I wasn't fooled by it because it's super amazing. So it's not obviously a public beach, and I haven't seen anyone actually from my way from the bus to this spot. It is around 20 kilometers walk to the mainland, then also obviously you need to walk on these two islands. Now I was thinking if there are blueberries on this island, but there are none. There were on the previous one, so I will pick some on the way back later this evening, as I am out all day here. And yes, I will be without swimsuit when this video is over because nobody is here. I am all alone. So I just love exploring this type of beaches. It is the best, and this continues for a few more 100 meters, as it is quite long island but not so broad or wide, how to say. All right, I have already tested the water earlier when I was swimming from the other island to this one, but now I'm starting off the swim from this island out on the open sea. Here we have also a very nice view of the boats that are passing by. They don't come that close actually to this island, as it is, I think, not so deep here towards the end, and there are some rocks in between closer to the island. But yeah, I have made it to an island without a boat, so that's something, right? Indeed. 24 degrees Celsius in the air, 19 in the sea, and beach day number 61 is continuing. Now here we have a bit of slippery rocks to get inside, but I think we're gonna be able to manage it somehow anyway, as the view is amazing towards the island, but even better towards the open sea. And if you have been following my beach adventures, you know that I'm on a streak now to be swimming in the sea. I haven't counted how many days I have been in the sea in a row, but yeah, the weather helps now even more as well, and the temperature of the water also. I would not be changing this with the Mediterranean right now, as look at this, there is nobody here. So I would choose definitely nature and solitude instead of crowded beaches with screaming kids in the Mediterranean. So not for me. So yeah, then let's go in for a swim here in Notholmarna in Värmdö. Oh, yes, I can stand here, so this is not that deep. That's why the boats are a bit more further. It makes it even more secluded to be enjoying naked here all alone in this beautiful nature. There are so many spots like this on the Swedish coast, but I'm always happy when I find some that are nice like this. It is my very first time here, and I will be returning here for sure, especially on a hot day like this, because on a hot day like this the beaches would be a bit more crowded than usual, and I tend to visit more distant places on a hot place like this. And it's gonna be even hotter tomorrow, and on Friday I think it's gonna be up to 30 degrees Celsius, which is very uncommon. And these past few days in the north of Sweden, in Luleå, where I was 1 month ago, it was like 32 degrees. When I was there it was 13, so I have picked the wrong time to be there. But I was all alone on the beaches, so yeah. Maybe I should book a trip again to another north destination in Sweden. But yeah, I wouldn't have picked a better spot for today's beach adventure on this beautiful island, one of the two, Notholmarna, that is. Cool. So that means that it is time to dive in once again. There is a bit of algae in the water. I think soon the blooming season of the algae will start, when the bathing is not recommended, but I'm doing it anyway. And I think it depends on the spot where you are also. Cool! With this wonderful view of my super secret beach spot here, all alone out on the open sea in Notholmarna, it's time to wrap up. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and I'm gonna be enjoying the rest of the day and chilling, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.